Okay, I think I'm finished. I just finished the roses. And I figured out why they make the back of the head so big. It's so the skull will sit, otherwise it rolls over. But the black kind of camouflages that, and you can see that the paint pens actually have, from the highlights, more gloss in them than my acrylic paint, but oh well, it was easier to get into the little tiny details with a paint pen, so I chose to do that. I did the outlining with Sharpie, and I might be able to take a paintbrush and do touch-ups with acrylic on top of the paint pen so we don't have that gloss. But I don't know if I want to go to that level of detail. I think I'm really happy with her. And so, anyway, if this looks like fun to you, please join us for our October skull painting workshop. I ordered a dozen of these, and I have one person already signed up, so that leaves, what, 9? No, 10? Yeah. 10 spots left. Would love to have you guys join us. It's the middle school age all the way up through adults. So if you love Day of the Dead imagery, or Frida Kahlo, or any of that wonderful, colorful, festive stuff, the link is in this post, and I hope to see you there.